long ago, I kinda feel bad for those consumed like snapshots of new pictures. They all get exposed,